Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some cleaning and some fall decorating. I will also be sharing a few products with you that I have recently been using that I am absolutely in love with. So I hope that you all enjoy today's video. I hope it gives you some cleaning motivation and some decorating ideas. I'm also going to be rearranging some furniture. I recently switched this room out into my office. So I did get this beautiful desk, so I'm going to be sharing all of that with you in today's video.
It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago.
Okay, so before I get started in today's video, I want to quickly share with you a few products that I have recently been using, and I am in love with them, and I know you will be too. Thank you, Taiwan Excellence, for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm going to share with you two products that have recently been given the Taiwan Excellence Award. If you don't know what Taiwan Excellence is, it is the highest accolade awarded to products that are outstanding in research and development, design, quality, and marketing. I have recently been using both of these products probably for maybe 2 or 3 weeks now, and they definitely get my seal of approval as well. What I love most about this caffeine shampoo tree in a bottle is that it is natural and it helps stimulate the metabolism of your scalp and promotes cell growth to help prevent hair loss. This shampoo is also very rich in antioxidants that promote hair growth, minimizing aging and protecting hair and skin against thermal influences and UV light. In addition, hair is moisturized, volumized, and given a natural shine. Shampoo is also free from any type of harmful chemicals, and the container itself is made from 100% compostable material obtained from coffee grounds, fruit, vegetables, and plant starch. And it will decompose within a year given the appropriate setting, and it also has seeds down at the very bottom of the bottle, and it will grow into a tree, which I think is so amazing. Okay, so the very last product that I'm going to quickly share with you is O-Right Toothpaste number 0, and it is a natural toothpaste. I love, love, love this stuff. It features a blend of rosemary, star anise, clove, and spearmint essential oils. It's designed to keep your teeth fresh and clean and brighten your smile. It's a natural solution for healthier teeth and gums and a greener earth. I can clearly see why these two products won the Taiwan Excellence Award. I know you will love them just as much as I do. So click the link down in my description box and get you some today. Taiwan Excellence is definitely everyday excellence. All right, so now I'm gonna clean up in here, straighten up my bedroom as well, and make the bed, and then I'm gonna head on downstairs. I just want to say a very quick thank you to all of you that are watching today's video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now. My channel is full of cleaning and decorating and all that fun stuff. So if you enjoy that kind of content, I have it right here for you.
All the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you want.
Now that I have everything straightened up in here and my bed made, I am going to head on downstairs and show you what I got going on down there. Okay, so I recently decided to change this room into my office. I was in desperate need for an office area, and this room hardly ever got used. I am going to sell my table and chairs. I have it up on OfferUp right now. So hopefully I will find a home for that very soon. But I found this beautiful desk. Isn't it gorgeous? I did find this on OfferUp and it was only $300, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase.
Once you travel the world, all the spaces.
So I did move quite a bit of heavy pieces around before I started filming, and my hutch that was in that formal dining room that I just showed you is moved into my kitchen now. And as you can see, I have all of my beautiful china and a few dishes sitting out on my countertops. The kitchen is a complete disaster, but here it is. I placed this larger hutch where my smaller hutch was, and I'm just going to clean it up really well and replace everything. I'm going to situate things a little bit differently. And then the smaller hutch, for now, it's just sitting right here on this wall. I'm not sure where I'm going to place it permanently, but for now I'm just going to keep it right here. So before I put my dishes back in this hutch, I'm going to give it a really quick dusting, and I'm just using a regular glass cleaner for this. I believe it was the one that I purchased from Grove a few weeks ago, and it worked wonderfully. So now that I have everything all dusted off and clean, I am going to give my dishes a very gentle bath. And how I am doing that is I'm just placing all of my china in my sink, and then I'm going to fill up my sink with some warm soapy water, let those sit for a while, and then I will gently rinse those off and dry them.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast.
Okay, so here's the first sink full of china, all cleaned and dried and ready to be put away. And then I also have a few more pieces right here that I need to wash. I'm going to get those washed and cleaned up, and then I'm going to start placing them all back in my hutch. I did want to do something a little different in my hutch, so I'm going to place all of my beautiful china down at the bottom, and then I want to add that second shelf with all of my milk glass, and then I'm going to do a little bit of fall decorating on that top shelf in the hutch.
It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. I'm yearning to reach the shore. Now I know.
So I have quite a few pieces of milk glass, and it's just been put away. I haven't really had a place to display it anywhere without it looking super cluttered. So with my hutch being in here and all of the white that I got going on here in the kitchen, I really wanted to add this shelf with all of my milk glass. I do still have a couple pieces put away because it wouldn't all fit on this shelf, but I love milk glass, and I was so happy that I could display it in this hutch. And then right here on this top shelf, I wanted to add a touch of fall, which of course involved me of moving stuff around. I recently had a few of those items on that smaller hutch that was sitting here, so I decided to move them over here. And then this is a swag wreath that I made a few seasons back, and I'm just placing it to the top of my hutch here, and then I'm using a command hook and a wire for the back of that, so it's placed very securely.
Spending time far away was never what I meant to do for us. Even though you're okay, I wish that I could give you all of me for you to save when it gets dark, I'll take the blame for what we are. I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of emotion. Bide our time and proceed. Calculate and the equation.
Okay, so now that my hutch is all put together and beautifully decorated, I am going to head on back into the kitchen and finish cleaning up in here.
I'm on my own. Oh, you never that to answer on your phone, even though you're alone. I wish that I could hear the words for me to carry on my own, to get me home to where I belong. No, I'm not sure that we can keep getting robbed of emotion. Bide our time and proceed to calculate on the equation. All this time.
Now that I have everything put away, I am going to clean my countertops and my kitchen table. And for that, I will be using the Mrs. Meyers Clean Day all-purpose cleaner. And this is in the acorn spice scent. It smells so good. And going with the theme of fall cleaning, I really was excited to use this scent. It left my whole kitchen smelling super good and just like fall.
For us, even though you're okay, I wish that
I am really curious to know what your favorite fall scents are. I would have to say anything like a baked dessert like apple pie or pumpkin pie. I love those scents. I also love the scent of cinnamon or spicy woodsy scents for fall. Those are my favorite. So let me know down in the comments below what your favorite fall scents are.
keep getting robbed of emotion. Lives slide by as we proceed to calculate, solve the equation. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
Okay, now that I have the house all clean, this is what I have this little area looking like right now. I do have quite a few more big changes going on in here, which I will show those in some upcoming videos. I can't wait to share them with you, but here's a more detailed look of this desk. And I have a question for all of you. I am really tempted to paint this white and add some wood appliques. Let me know down in the comments below what you think I should do, if you think I should leave it or if I should paint it and make it look a little bit more like the rest of my furniture pieces in my home.
Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fun.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that it gave you some cleaning motivation as well as some decorating inspiration. If you did enjoy today's video, please make sure that you hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right now before you click out. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.
When I'm in this town, look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.